Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we will discuss question 2 to question 7 of exercise 1.1. Question 2 is show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equals to A comma B such that A less than equals to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So relation is R equals to A comma B such that A less than equals to B square in the set R of real numbers. Here we take element 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 comma 1 upon 2 does not belongs to R because 1 upon 2 is greater than square of 1 upon 2. So R is not reflexive here. Now for symmetric 1 comma 4 belongs to R as 1 is less than square of 4. Square of 4 is 16. 1 is less than 16. But 4 is not less than square of 1. So 4 comma 1 does not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric here. Now for transitive 3 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 1.5 belongs to R because 3 is less than square of 2. Square of 2 is 4. 3 is less than 4 and 2 is less than square of 1.5. Square of 1.5 is 2.25. So 2 is less than 2.25. But 3 is greater than square of 1.5. So 3 comma 1.5 does not belongs to R. So R is not transitive. So R is neither reflexive nor symmetric and not transitive. Next question third is check whether the relation R defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R equals to A, B such that B equals to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Relation is A, B such that B equals to A plus 1. When we put A equals to 1, then B equals to 2. When we put A equals to 2, then B equals to 3. When we put A equals to 3, then B equals to 4. When we put A equals to 4, then B equals to 5. And when we put A equals to 5, then B equals to 6. We cannot put A equals to 6 here because when we put A equals to 6, then B equals to 7. And 7 does not belongs to set A. Now, for reflexive के लिए हमारे पास क्या होना चाहिए? A, A belongs to R. But A, A does not belongs to R here. As 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 do not belongs to R here. So R is not reflexive. Now for symmetric 1, 2 belongs to R but 2, 1 does not belongs to R. So R is not symmetric here. Now for transitive 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 3 belongs to R but 1, 3 does not belongs to R here. So R is not transitive. So R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Next fourth is show that the relation R in R defined as R equals to A, B such that A less than equals to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Here relation is A, B such that A less than equals to B. So A, A belongs to R as A equals to A. So R is reflexive here. Now 2, 4 belongs to R as 2 is less than 4. But 4, 2 does not belongs to R as 4 is greater than 2. So R is not symmetric है. यहाँ either case लेकर चलेंगे. A is less than B or A equals to B. Now let A, B, B, C belongs to R. Then A is less than equals to B and B is less than equals to C. So A is less than equals to C here. So A, C belongs to R. So R is transitive. So R is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric here. Next fifth question is check whether the relation R in R defined by R equals to A, B such that A less than equals to B cube is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. Relation is R equals to A, B such that A less than equals to B cube. Here we take element 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 does not belongs to R as 1 upon 2 is greater than cube of 1 upon 2. So R is not reflexive. Now for symmetric 1, 2 belongs to R as 1 is less than cube of 2. Cube of 2 is 8. 1 is less than 8. And 2, 1 does not belongs to R as 2 is greater than cube of 1. So R is not symmetric here. Now for transitive 3, 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 6 upon 5 belongs to R. Since 3 is less than cube of 3 upon 2. Cube of 3 upon 2 is 3.375. 3 is less than 3.375. And 3 upon 2 is less than cube of 6 upon 5 and cube of 6 upon 5 is 1.728 and 3 upon 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 is less than 1.728. So but 3, 6 upon 5 does not belongs to R here, as 3 is greater than cube of 6 upon 5. So R is not transitive. R is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Next, sixth question is, show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by R equals to 1, 2, 2, 1 is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. So R equals to 1, 2, 2, 1 in the set 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 does not belongs to R. Do not belongs to R here. So R is not reflexive. Now 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R here. So R is symmetric. Now for transitive, 1, 2 belongs to R and 2, 1 belongs to R. But 1, 1 does not belongs to R here. So R is not transitive. So R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive here. Next, seventh is, show that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by R equals to X, Y such that X and Y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. Relation is R equals to X, Y such that X and Y have same number of pages. So here for reflexive, X, X belongs to R, as X and X have same number of pages, so R is reflexive here. Now for symmetric, X, Y belongs to R. X and Y have same number of pages. So if X and Y have same number of pages, then Y and X have सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. अगर x एंड y में सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस है तो अगर हम इसी इस तरह से लिखें y एंड x, तो y एंड x में भी क्या होंगे, सेम नंबर ऑफ पेजेस. सो y, x बिलोंग्स टू r. सो r इज सिमेट्रिक हियर. नाउ फॉर ट्रांजिटिव, x, y बिलोंग्स टू r and y, z बिलोंग्स टू r. X and Y have same number of pages and Y and Z have same number of pages. So X and Z also have same number of pages. So X, Z belongs to R. So R is transitive. So here R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Hence R is an equivalence relation.